Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Laurina. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this half down half up mohawk faux hawk look thing. Very complicated to explain but very easy to achieve, so stay tuned. Alright, so you want to start off by adding some water to your hair. You don't really need to add that much water. My hair was pretty moisturized and hydrated, but I just needed to or wanted to rather add some water just because my hair is easier to work with in that form. I also spritzed some oil into my hair. As you can see, the longer that my hair is getting, the thicker that it is getting, and the harder it is getting to, or the harder it's becoming to kind of spritz my hair as a whole rather than splitting it into bits and pieces. So as much as I showed in this clip that I spritzed my hair in its natural quote-unquote combed out state, I actually ended up spritzing it in this parting pattern, as you can see here. So what I did was I parted my hair similar to the way that I've parted it before when I do mohawks, faux hawks. I don't even know what you call them anymore, girl. But yeah, I parted my hair into 1, 2, 3, 4 in a faux hawk. Not a faux hawk. In a what is that thing called? In a mohawk. Yes, mohawk style. I find that you can actually do this in 3. My curtain was annoying me. You can actually do this in 3 partings, because when you really look at it, the 2 partings at the back both get covered by my hair extensions anyway. So if you want to split your hair or part your hair into 3 or even into 2, it would actually work. So you having just 1 parting in the front with a big poof in the front, and then having a parting at the back, that would absolutely work. I obviously did my makeup, girl, because listen, I was not going to come here and reveal my face barefaced and all. For this hairstyle I used Darling's Marley Kinky Hair in the color, I think it's probably 1B. All I know is it's the blackest one, the darkest one. The reason why I used hair extensions in this tutorial instead of my own hair is because my own hair shrinks. So if you want to obviously do a style, because I mean with this style I basically added extensions that are the same length as my hair. I could have done it with my hair and it would have worked out fine, but the reason why I added extensions instead of my natural hair is because your natural hair does tend to shrink more than synthetic hair does, and also it gave me just a little more volume than I would have had I used my own hair. I'm just going to be crocheting the Darling hair into those 2 parts at the back. So what you do is you put the crochet needle through, you hook onto some hair, and then you take that loop and then you hook that other hair back. I hope that made sense. If you want another video that shows you details on how to crochet, then I will gladly do that. Just leave a comment down in the comment section below. As I was going, I was kind of snipping off the ends that I didn't like, and I was using my scissors to create my desired effect or my desired shape. I actually do find that I ended up making this hairstyle shorter than I had anticipated, but it's whatever. Also, because I had the 2 little what you call them, scrunchies at the back, I used some of the hair and kind of secured it onto my natural hair using elastic bands. It helped me not have to crochet so much. As you can see, like I was saying here, I could have done this front part with my own hair. It would have worked out, but shrinkage, and also I wanted to just have a little more volume. That's why I used that. And then I used an elastic band to secure it, and then I decorated it with some gold string. Please excuse my voice, guys. I don't know what's happening, but I am drinking tea. I'm staying healthy. I'm in lockdown. I'm quarantining, social distancing. I hope y'all are good, actually. Let's just talk. How are you doing? And if you're watching this in 2021, what's going on? Like, what ended up happening? Tell me the story, girl. But yeah, ended up decorating my hair in the front there. I didn't want to go too crazy with this hairstyle. I just wanted to keep it super simple. So that's literally the only quote unquote decoration that I put in my hair. And then for that middle parting there, I actually ended up making it bigger off camera, because when I looked in the mirror, I was like, girl, girl, bye. That is not dramatic enough. So you'll see that, yeah, see it now there? You'll see that in the end results, it ended up being a bit bigger. The only thing I could say I struggled with when it comes to this hairstyle is, first of all, the parting, because you can't see the back of your head. And secondly, the shaping of the hair. I didn't realize that I needed like barber skills in order to shape this hair properly on the sides. I mean, damn. And that's the hairstyle, you guys. I know I feel like I've just been rambling in this video. Maybe it's because I'm like isolated. I feel alone and I just want to talk. And I know you guys are listening, so I really appreciate it. But yes, this is the hairstyle. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Let me know how you feel about this look. I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder because your girl tried to do a cut crease. Also comment on that please down below, because I really tried with this makeup. Shame. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know how you feel about it down below. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I will see you in another video.